Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you why is Royal Mail not working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up App Store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then type in Royal Mail. Now once the app loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over and to your home screen and then tap on the settings app. Now inside settings, scroll down and tap on general, and now inside general tap on iPhone storage. Now once you're inside your iPhone storage, here scroll down until you find the Royal Mail app, and then once you find it, simply tap on it. And now on tapping, you'll be provided with two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is complete, all you gotta do is go back and then try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.